Welcome on the channel. In the next part of Panaplex display series, in the previous videos we rip out the Panaplex display from the old broken voltmeter and somehow started. In next part I force to work as it should. It means we know what we have to do to connect them. So what left is just design the board with LM393 or different voltage comparator. I use 393 because this stuff I have on a stock in my drawers, and of course can be better, can be worse. So just design the board, order it, and wait a few days till they send it from China. I use LM393 because I have it in a drawer, but also for me it was easier to operate with such a big number of trays. On PCB I left space for two different voltage reference. One is a standard voltage divider and second is voltage reference based on TL431, because I wasn't pretty sure how will behave the original frequency meter board without load. Question: how many mistakes I made this time? Okay, full digit test. I mixed something. I don't know how come this segment A not working, and this I think is a shortage of full digit test number 2. Oh. Nicey. But generally, wow, full success. Not a lot from the end of this project, but as for my ability to work with these small electrons in these plastic chips is good. After a long fight with this, it seems one digit works, so the rest is just a matter of connecting a few wires. But it wasn't so simple. It takes me quite a few hours because of two wires was swapped in a map, two wires was swapped on original Akai PCB, one trace was broken, one or two called solder joints, and it's really hard to figure out why this did it work, not work. And the most important, I just place one of this plug, so-called plug, in a wrong position. Okay, but right now it's working, so we can said so there is a full success of run Panaplex from. Few words how this setup works. First of all, original LED display is common anode, Panaplex is also common anode, means both displays lead when connected to ground, but the voltages are on much different levels. 2.3 compared to 160 volt means I have somehow convert the signal from low voltage to low on high voltage. LC7259 is not multiplexed. Pins are assigned for specified segments of display, means one pin, one segment of display, so 7 pins for one digit. When chip wants to read a digit, pins assigned to display segments change state from high to low. In this case, low is 0.1, high is 2.3, bit higher to tell the truth. In place where I rip out original LED, now we have low, means 0.1 volt. Then signal goes to the board with voltage comparators to inverting input of voltage comparator with reference voltage bit below 2.3 volt. Comparator set in this moment output to high. We have high, it's a nearly full VCC. The VCC is same like power voltage which powering the frequency meter chip is taken from this board. This signal driving the NPN transistor, it's switch on, connecting Panaplex segment to ground, and surprise, it's lit. Comma is connected straight, just resistor to the ground, because it's always in same position. I don't see the reason to play with it. I have a kind of problem with this digit one. It was one of missing solders on this board. But right now everything works, so I will try to connect it in the more like acceptable and compact part. Then I wanna disconnect this, and of course I need also high voltage power supply, because it takes, right now you see 3.8 milliamps, so I cannot borrow it from the power supply of tube tuner. It's too much. Oh, but this is, everything can be solved. To tell the truth, I not expect so, this project takes me such a long time, to tell the truth. But it looks nice. In reality it even looks better than on this video.
Renters, if you're renting from a private landlord. Difficult.